Now, do you know another good thing about the atmosphere? Okay, I want you to think. I'll give you some facts and then you'll tell me why we're still alive on Earth. So the sun produces light in the entire electromagnetic spectrum. You saw how the electromagnetic spectrum looks like. Where is most of the light coming? In what wavelength? What color? Why is the sun not green?
Because
Because there's multiple wavelengths of light and they all combine together.
Very good. So, does the sun emit X-rays? Ultraviolet?
Yes. It emits all kinds of.
Really?
Yeah, just not as much.
Small amount.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Very good. You need to be confident. I like when you're confident. Now, this is the sun in normal conditions. When you have sunspots on the sun, do you know what sunspots are?
Yes.
Good. So sunspot can create regions, very hot regions. It can emit, it can make the material above them very hot, a few million degrees. At a few million degrees, you emit most of the light in the form of X-rays. So the most powerful X-ray sources in the solar system are the regions above sunspots. They can be pretty big. One sunspot can be as big as probably 10 to 15 times the size of the Earth. So that's why I say these are the biggest X-ray machines in the solar system. And usually you don't have just one sunspot on the sun, you can have a few. The number of sunspot changes. It's not constant through time. There are times when the sun doesn't have any sunspots. That's when we say that the sun is at solar minimum conditions. Okay, this means it's not very active. But then next year and the year after, the sun is going to become very, very active. We call it solar maximum. The sun is going to have lots of sunspots. These sunspots not just emit X-rays, they also produce flares and they also produce those huge bubbles of coronal mass ejections.